Good morning. I was gonna say it's travel day. It's not travel day. It's laundry day. Yippee. Yeah, we got to take a time out on our adventures and do some laundry. The weather here in Rockport is like 81 degrees high for the day, but the humidity is like 71% every day. So it's like, you know, you can't really wear a shirt more than one day. I'm just saying. If you do that, which I do. But here you really can't. I mean, it is just sitting there, you're just sweating. So we gotta do laundry to continue our adventures. So today's kind of just a chore day. Gonna cook Sammy's food. Oops, I said it. She's like looking at me. She's sitting over there in the seat enjoying her ride. And I need to do that. I'm gonna clean on the camper a little bit, you know, because we went to the beach and there's sand everywhere. So I'm not gonna clean the truck up yet until I'm done with Rockport and beaches and all that, because it's sandy. It's sandy. So it's gonna be just a kind of chill chore day. And I'm gonna stop here at the trash, dump my trash first before I head to the laundromat. All right, we're at the laundry depot doing laundry. The Shack Smokehouse and Seafood. That's where we're going to eat lunch today. Finish laundry. Now we're gonna go eat.
It's like you're gonna produce your calendar.
I do. Oh, we got barbecue, and I added 2 pieces of fish.
This is pretty
Salad, potato salad. You got a
brisket and sausage.
and sausage and potato salad. Yeah. And a fish basket. Yum. That fish looks good. You see the kitty, Sammy? It's a Siamese kitty. Oh, he's eating.